Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing this. I'm scared. I'm not that scared though, because I'm only gonna do like, yeah, I think I'm gonna actually do a twist, just a twist by itself. But let me hold this up for the thumbnail because cut. I need scissors and I have scissors. Cut. Step 1, cut. Okay, this is in Spanish. Primero, después, finalmente. Put on the gloves, snip off the tip of the cream developer, then remove the applicator cap from the bottle. Next, pour in the ammonia-free colorant to the cream developer. I'm scared. Ooh. Do I want front? I kind of wanted the back. Yeah, because the front, I kind of want it like this one. It's giving. Okay. Yes. I better see a drastic difference because usually on black hair, the color doesn't show up that well. Okay. So it's gonna be this piece. Tip to make 1/4 inch sections through area, not running. So I don't know what to do with it while it like is processing. How much is too much dye? I'm done applying the mixture to my hair. I'm just gonna let it shrink up and put a timer on for 25 minutes it says. Oh, I did this DIY thingy and hopefully it's not giving that it actually worked. So I'm kind of concerned. We're gonna wash this out. Oh! We're gonna wash this out and hope that I see some sort of color, which I don't at the moment, so I'm scared. Let me take this AirPod out because I can't risk getting it wet. But let's put this conditioner on. All right. Am my hair? Okay, let me just make sure. Absolutely no difference. It looks the same. Well, it looks the same. No difference. Okay, I'm just gonna twist this section back up. Thanks for watching this video. I guess everybody, if you get Revlon medium auburn and you have hair like mine, it won't work. So hope you learned something, and yeah.